Here at the new Barbados Water Authority headquarters in the Pines St. Michael is the latest tool engineers and crews will be using to respond to water problems facing Barbados. It's called SCADA, or the Supervisory Control Data Acquisition System. Now SCADA is the evolution of operations here at the BWA and will have the ability to monitor and control pumping stations, reservoirs, wells and other facilities.
How it works is we have at our sites, which is over 60 sites, a RTU, which is a control cabinet installed, and this control cabinet is connected to various types of sensors, pressure sensors, well level sensors, reservoir sensors, and these sensors all send data back to the control cabinet, and the control cabinet takes this information and transfers it or sends it to the headquarters. Here at the headquarters we have the software which sits on our servers, and it takes the information, compiles it and displays it in a graphical format that we can understand. So we can then look at each site and see how they're performing, what they're doing, and at some sites like the pumping station we can actually start and stop pumps if need be.
In the past, it would take a bit longer to respond to water outages. That's because it took more time to detect burst mains, for example, or other problems responsible for these outages.
The system is also very flexible to doing investigations. There's a feature in the system, it's called trends, and you can check any parameter in the system, whether it be pressures, levels, and you can check that for periods of hours, over days, weeks, even months if you need to do investigations with respect to problems. And this is an important thing for the operation and maintenance, because if you are looking for problems, sometimes you have to look for the cause. And if you can use that information to determine what caused the problem, then you know that you can avoid it in the future.
And with the SCADA, BWA engineers can now address problems with the waterworks network at the click of a button.
With SCADA, you will know if there's a leak from a drop in pressure, and it would show directly on the system. And also, depending on the position of the burst, you can go in the system and adjust the set point so that persons can still get water at lower elevations while the burst is being fixed, or you can have a shorter response time in stopping the station from wasting water at the leak by going to SCADA and stopping the pumps while the distribution fixes the burst.
He also revealed that the BWA has already used SCADA to respond to outages in the north of the island.
We have had quicker response times to outages, especially in the north. We can see quicker the problems that we are having with respect to water not reaching reservoirs and low levels in reservoirs, and we can actually send out personnel to investigate these situations. So the response time to troubleshooting has been shorter.
Now once fully operational, SCADA gives engineers the ability to reduce the impact of burst mains or system failures.
Once we have isolated the affected area, only those persons will be affected and will be notified. So it will also help with the advertising in that you don't have to have an island-wide scare. Sometimes you advertise this area, that area, and it ends up being a very small area. So with the introduction of valves being controlled by SCADA, we'll be able to reduce the amount of areas that are affected.
And that's it for another Water Wednesdays. To hear more about the SCADA, visit the BWA's website. That's www.barbadoswaterauthority.com.